Today, we're going to show you how to fit our 3-piece aluminium bash plate set to this Nissan Navara. This product fits really well, and it's something that you really need if you're going to be doing the tougher tracks. We've had it on one of our vehicles for 2 years, and we thought it was about time that we showed you exactly how they go on and how easy it really is. We've designed this kit to work with a range of bull bars, most bull bars on the market, also with the factory bumper bars. It uses this strip to bolt through to the bumper bar using these clips. So where applicable, that would sit here. Obviously on this car with the Ironman bull bar, we won't be using it. So we've got the front plate here with the logo in it. We're just gonna sit it up. It's pretty obvious where it goes at the top, and then we're gonna mark at the bottom which holes we need to use. So I just wanna start from front to back, work out what holes we're using so that we put the nut certs in the correct holes. So working back, we got the second plate here. We know which holes it's gonna line up with on this cross member. We need to work out the next one, as that's where some of the nut certs go. So the third plate here, obviously he's gonna line up with these other two holes as well, and that will give us the position of the two back holes. So we've got to use this tool to get the hex certs inserted into the chassis. These are the threaded inserts that you bolt the plates into. You assemble it as such, and then you just slide it into the holes that we've pre-marked. They're a nice firm fit, so you do need to just go a little bit of persuasion, and then we just hold that handle as we do this up, and it crushes it into the chassis rail. All right, so we've got these 4 threaded nut inserts in the chassis now. We'll get into putting the plates on. We start at the back and work forwards. All right, so we start with the bolts in loose. This spacer comes in the kit. That's for the back plate here. So spacer up, bash plate in, and then we line it up with the front. So again, at the front, put the bolts in, leave them loose, because the next plate will slide over the top of that one on the slots. So lift that plate up. This one goes on top so that you can't catch an edge when you're sliding over rocks. So again, bolts in loose, and then we'll get the front plate in. So we have the existing bolts that go in the front here, whether it's for a bumper bar using these 4 slotted holes, or for the bull bar, you'll have existing bolts here, which is where the factory bash plate would normally bolt in. So we're gonna start from the front, do up the front one first, and work our way back. That's the install done on the NP300 Australian-made bash plates. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, or jump on our website and you'll find a heap of information.